Now, you may also be wondering why my arm is here in a sling, right? And about a week ago, I fell down and dislocated my elbow. And Katrina said, hey, Marjorie, you know, we've got some medicine that could totally work for you with that. We just basically, again, weeds. So Katrina is going to go ahead and poultice up my arm for this using, what are we going to use? We're going to use comfrey.
We're going to use, yeah, some comfrey root, plantain leaves, which is right there. And then I just harvested a wheelbarrow full of mallow. So we're going to put some mallow root and leaves in it.
And we're going to show everybody how to poultice up an arm.
Yeah, we'll blend it up into a really nice goo, nice paste. And then we'll just lather your whole arm.
All right, we're here in Katrina's kitchen. She's a lovely home, by the way. And you know, the swelling has gone down a bit, but Katrina's going to make me a poultice. And what have we got here?
Well, we harvested some mallow, and then we dug up a comfrey root, which is a really powerful part of the comfrey plant. And then here's some plantain leaves. This is the narrow leaf plantain, and then some comfrey leaves. So we're going to blend all of this with a little bit of water to make a paste. Yeah, it's easier for the blender if you cut it up just a little bit. And then with the plantain, you can just break in half. And then the comfrey leaves, same. Now we're going to fill it up with just a little bit of water. We just want just enough so it'll blend well, but not get too liquidy. See how that goes. Okay, and then we'll blend it. Let's poke it down. It's getting thick. I might need more water. More water. Okay, try again. So we blended it to where it made a thick gelatinous paste.
Ooh.
Like Jell-O.
That looks gooey.
Very gooey.
Oh, that looks like green Jell-O.
Green Jell-O.
It smells good.
Yeah, we could have put essential oil in it. We could have made some mint, but it's the straight stuff.
Okay.
All right, so we'll go ahead and just put it on. And we'll start with your hand. I'm just going to put it on the outside of your hand here. Is that all right?
Yeah, it feels great. It's nice and cool and soothing.
We'll start with the top, and then it will dry and it'll hold on better once it dries a little bit.
Whenever you're making a poultice, you want to make it as big, much bigger than you think, as big as possible, and you want to keep it on for a long time, longer than you normally think. So like, I'll do my best to keep this on for 12 hours.
Great. That's fantastic. And it'd be really nice to be able to do a full wrap of it. We'll see how we can do that.
Yeah, that'll work.
And then we'll just kind of, and then maybe flip your arm over now.
Right.
You can kind of, yeah.
And fill it up.
Exactly.
Yeah. Nice.
You had your hand is still purple a little bit, and your arm is still a little bit purple.
You know, it's still traumatized.
Yeah, but it's definitely healing. It looks even better than it did Saturday. Like I noticed. It's making improvement. Yeah. And then how about to the side a little bit?
Oh yeah, you just put it all in there and like tape the bag up or something.
Yeah. Then it'll actually stay moist too, which is great.
Oh, it feels so good. It's so cool and soothing. It feels so good.
How is that?
And these are just weeds that we dug up out of the
That's right.
ground, right? You dug up that comfrey, and you dug up mallow and,
Plantain, it's true.
and medicine, right?
Yeah.
Like right out of the ground. Well, thank you, Katrina.
You're welcome.
This is, I have to say, I'm really not a big fan of plastic wrap, but this would have been a good application for that one, right?
Yeah, right. We used a plastic bag and it worked.
Yep. And we got
And
this,
then this old grocery bag
and
wrapped
we're
in
going to
some
be
duct
good.
tape. We
Yeah.
got a nice poultice, and you can, put that back in your. Maybe we wrap it with one more piece of plastic so your sling doesn't
the sling
get
doesn't get
messy.
dirty. Yeah.
Yeah.
This will be good. Thank you.
You're so welcome.